Hi guys, Julius here with another video. In today's lesson, I'm going to take you through simple steps in which you can use to find the derivative using quotient rule. Quotient rule. Yeah, the word quotient means is division. So let's look at the formula when dealing with quotient rule. So for instance, if you have d dx, you have two functions, let's say f of x, divided by another function which is g of x. The quotient rule says you hold the g of x as a constant, then you differentiate f of x. So we have f prime of x, then minus, you hold f of x as a constant, then you differentiate g of x. So f of x, then g of x, g prime of x, and all over to the function g of x, then you square it. Right, so that's the formula we're going to be dealing with. Now let's go straight to an example. Then you apply the formula. So example, we have d dx brackets x squared plus 3x and plus 4 all over x squared minus 1. So how do we differentiate this? By using the quotient rule. So first of all, you identify your two functions. You have to identify f of x, and then identify g of x. And most of the time, if f of x is always the numerator, and g of x is the denominator. So looking at this, our f of x is equal to the numerator, which is x squared plus 3x, then plus 4. Then our g of x, the x squared, then minus 1. So now that we identify our two functions, f of x and g of x, it will be very easy for us to apply our formula. All right. So let me write it here again. So our f of x gives us x squared plus 3x and plus 4, and then the g of x is equal to x squared and minus 1. Alright, so now let's apply the formula. So if our question is d dx of x squared plus 3x plus 4 all over x squared minus 1. So here we're going to hold our g of x as constant, then we differentiate our f of x. So x squared minus 1 as constant, then we differentiate or take derivative of f of x, and f of x is x squared plus 3x then plus 4, then minus, we hold our f of x as constant, then we differentiate our g of x. So our f of x is x squared plus 3x and plus 4. Then we differentiate our g of x, which is x squared minus 1. Then all over our x squared minus 1, that is our g of x, then all raised to the power 2. So this is equals to, so let's differentiate. We have x squared minus 1 into brackets. So if you differentiate x squared plus 3x plus 4, differentiate x squared, simply bring down the 2 multiplied by x and reduce the power by 1. So that's going to be 2x, and this is plus 3x is similar to 3x to the power 1. So bring down the power, which is 1, multiplied by 3, that gives us 3, then reduce the power by 1. So you get 3x raised to the power 0. Any number raised to the power 0 or any term raised to the power 0 give us, give us 1. Anything raised to the power 0 give us 1. So here we simply write with 3. And then this is minus x squared plus 3x then plus 4. Now we are differentiating x squared minus 1. So we simply bring down the 2, multiply by x, and reduce the power by 1. So that's going to give us 2x. Then minus 1 is a constant term. If you differentiate it as 0. Just like here, 4 is also a constant, so that's why I didn't bring it here, because it's 0. So here it's just 0. Right, so this is all over x squared minus 1 all raised to the power 2. So you can write it this way, x squared minus 1 into brackets 2x plus 3, and then minus, put in bracket, sorry, minus, bring down, bring a 2x in front of this, so you have 2x into bracket x squared plus 3x then plus 4, then all over x squared minus 1 all raised to the power 2. All right, so now we have to expand it and then we simplify. So let me clean this side. So so this is equals to, so I have let's say right, I have x squared minus 1 into brackets 2x plus 3, then minus 2x into brackets x squared plus 3x then plus 4. So all over x squared minus 1 all raised to the power 2. All right, so let's now expand. X squared times 2x give it 2x raised to the power 3. X squared times 3 is plus 3x squared. Minus 1 times 2x minus 2x minus 1 times 3 give us minus 3. This is minus 2x times x squared give us minus 2x raised to the power 3. Then minus 2x times 3x give us minus 6x squared. Then minus 2x times 4 give us minus 8x. Then all over our x squared minus 1 all raised to the power 2. Right, let's see whether we can group like terms. So we see that we have 2x cube, and this minus 2x plus a minus, so this simply cancel. Then we have 0. Now let's see, we have a 3x squared, we have minus 6x squared. So 3x squared minus 6x squared give us minus 3x squared. Then here we have minus 2x, and then we have minus 8x. So minus 2x minus 8x give us minus 10x. Then here we'll have a constant term which is minus 3, then all over x squared minus 1 all raised to power 2. That gives us our final answer. Please comment, subscribe, share, and like. See you in another video. Thank you.